Hey guys, it is Monday here in West Virginia, so you know what time it is. It's time for us to do a Mopar Monday at Mr. Norm's Grand Spalding Dodge. And sorry, over the weekend we got a little tied up, so I was not able to bring you a premium unboxing like I promised. So that's kind of what we're doing today. We got a mix of Hot Wheels and Autoworld for our premium unboxing for a Mopar Monday, and it's a little different. It's vans, so it's going to be a little bit different than our usual like performance Mopar A bodies, B bodies, and E bodies. We're going to be doing vans, and one of these vans, I'm not even sure if it's a Mopar or not. It's from the cartoon world, so we're going to say it is a Mopar in the cartoon world. Not sure if it is or not. But anyways, first off is the one that is the most realistic looking and probably my favorite of the group. That is your Autoworld Dodge Caravan, your 1984 Dodge Caravan. And this I remember seeing all the time growing up. My family had minivans, but ours were Chevy because I grew up in a Chevy family. My father worked for General Motors, worked for Chevrolet Corporation in Parma, Ohio. So anyways, we always had Chevys, but I remember seeing a lot of these caravans on the road along with like our Astro vans and then the Ford Aerostars and such things like that. So this is very cool. Kind of surprised that Autoworld did it, but I'm glad they did. Somebody needed to because it is pretty cool. So this is still just limited edition. So this is the first release of our all new 1984 Dodge Caravan casting. And Lee Iacocca headed up. I'm sorry, guys. Hard for me to see that. Headed up the Caravan project, helping revive Chrysler from financial peril. And the first year, in the first year alone, it's hard to read that because it's behind that blister and blah blah blah. They sold 209,000 units and blah blah blah. So yeah, you guys get the idea. So it's hard to see through the glare of the blister and such. So let's get this guy out the car and take a look at him. The other ones in this lineup were Modern Muscle, your 91 Mitsubishi 3000 GT, well, they call it GT here, but in Japan it's GTO. VR4, and then the 87 Toyota Supra. They did have both those. I was going to get the Mitsubishi, but opted not to. I just got this, and I got the luxury cruisers. 78 Lincoln Continental, and we'll be bringing that to you maybe on Wednesday or something. And then the mighty minivans, which is going to be a new series. I wonder if they're going to do the Astro van. That would be kind of cool, huh? Then your sports car, 2020 Chevy Corvette. And when I seen that, I thought I found an Ultra Red because the paint on that one looks almost like the Ultra Red, like, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, that brilliant, darker candy red. So anyways, let's get him off the car and take a look at him. And this guy I will not be keeping in my collection. So if somebody watching this video needs one of these, let me know. I'll sell it to you for what I got in it, which is like $6. So just let me know. 6 plus shipping. You can have it. I guess it's just not my cup of tea, but it is cool. Very nicely done and such. And let's see what the plate says here. Just Caravan. Okay. But they did a great job with all the emblems, as you see. The wood grain and the rear wiper and such. Very nice with the interior. Very cool piece, man. Side mirrors too, which is really cool. Then it has the luggage rack, the front wipers, and then the wheels or hubcaps are spot on, I would say, in my opinion. The grill area, headlights look great. Very sweet little van. And it even has the opening hood. If I can get it to, there we go. With the detailed sideways 6. So really, really cool little piece there. Nice detail. Autoworld always does a phenomenal job on the engine detail. Nice chassis detail too. So there is the first van. The second van you've already seen in my cabinet. I just popped it back in the package to kind of help along with our Mopar Monday. This is the Dodge van, or the Dodgebin that they call it in Japan and such. This is my favorite variant of it. I even like this more than the Super. Very cool. Like the card art too on this one. And this is actually my pick of this lineup. Most picked the ER34, followed by the Mustang or the Subi. My pick was the Dodge van. That was my keeper of the group. So let's get him out and take a closer look at him. And really cool with the flame job and the business. HW fire protection. Pretty cool. And then if you look down in there, you can see the go-kart, which these are well known for in Japan. The Dodgebin, that's what they call them. And it was the hauler for their go-karts, for go-kart racing and such. So really cool. Like this one too, because it's got the same diameter wheel on all four corners. So really nice. It's a little bit small, I think, for 1/64th. But hey, Hot Wheels is never accurate with their 1/64 scaling. But the details on this is very well done, like headlights and tail lights. I should have said that in a different order. Detailed grill, your emblems, and such things like that. So nicely done by Hot Wheels. Chrome bumpers that are separate from the body. Pretty cool. And then last but not least is another van. This one is one that's become popular, and I really don't know why. I haven't watched the movie yet, but the Super Mario Brothers movie. I played the game growing up on Nintendo and such, and this little plumber's van is very popular amongst collectors and kids. So I picked one up for our collection. Not sure if I'm going to keep this one either, because it's just not my cup of tea. But he is just a little guy, as you can see. And nice detail on the grill and everything. And it looks like it has seats in there, but I cannot tell because the windows are very dark. Cool Super Mario Brothers plumbing on the side. Little tiny real riders. Nice detail on the tail lights. Nice detail on the roof rack with the ladder and stuff. And it is a very well detailed little cartoon van. So this is pretty cool. And that is our lineup for the vans today and such. So I am going to go see what my dumbass dogs are barking at. And that will be it for our Mopar Monday, guys. We will be back later in the week, maybe with that Lincoln on Wednesday. Thanks for watching.